Hi guys, today I am back at it and I'm going to make crispy potatoes using Packo chili bite mix. So I've peeled my potatoes, I cut it up into wedges and quarters, the other way around, and I'm going to put it into a clear plastic packet and put it into the microwave. So about 5 minutes, just until the potatoes are nice and soft, but not too soft that it breaks. And I'll show you what the next step is when I get back. So my potatoes just come out of the microwave. The reason why I put it in the microwave is so that it's nice and soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Very hot, just be careful not to burn yourself. And then just throw your potatoes on here and I'll show you what it looks like when I have all my potatoes on this plate. That's all the potatoes on the plate. You can see it's still steaming, which is perfect. And my oil is heating as well. So now I'm just going to pop my potatoes into the oil and fry it until it's a nice golden brown color on the outside. So I'm frying my potatoes now, as you can see, and when it's done I'll put it on some tissue paper and then a colander, and then when it's cooled off I'll put on some salt and some chili flakes. Chili flakes is optional, you don't have to put it on there, and I'm going to make a dip with this as well.